Hello everyone. Today I got Boss Hugo Boss wristwatch with case size 42 mm. Nice shiny watch. You can see the model number engraved. This watch runs on Japanese movement made by Seiko company. With 42 mm, this watch can fit medium wrist or big wrist. Let's try this watch on my wrist and have a look. This watch case is solid with good weight, made of solid stainless steel, 42 mm. Very beautiful dress watch, comfortable watch, and classic design. If you are looking for dress watch on a budget, very good watch. Also deal, beautiful, not standard. Not just flat deal like some watches have. You can see